Good day, sir. I am Jerica Sir Dalacanag. On behalf of my group, named Miss Anna Marie B. Toto, Jesus Catan, and we are the Group 8. We tackle about the reporting segment and interim financial period.
This is the learning objectives of our topic. Understanding the need of disaggregated financial data, describe the basic requirements of public companies in reporting segment data, determine an operating segment, define a reportable segment, explain when information about major customers must be reported, and lastly, indicate some problems with interim reporting and the authoritative position on the issue.
Need for disaggregated financial data. Users need information to determine condition, trends, and ratios that assess in predicting cash flows of firms. Different industries or geographic area have different rate of profitability, opportunities for growth, and type of risk. Disaggregated information is useful to assess in analyzing uncertainties surrounding expect cash flows. Standard of Financial Accounting and Reporting SFAS number 131. Disclosures about segment of an enterprise and related information. Primary benefit or unveiling information. Arguments against segmental disclosures include maybe misleading due to accounting problems, lack of user knowledge, different measurement techniques, disclosures to competing firms, labor unions, or etc. adds to already excessive amount of disclosure. Standard of Financial Accounting and Reporting. Basic disclosure requirements. Objective is to facilitate consistency between internal and external reporting. Segmented by product or service, geographic area, customer type, or legal entity. Reporting requirements. Segmental profit or loss, certain item or revenue and expense, segmental asset, and other items.
To determine the operating segments are determined using a modified management approach. An operating segment is a component of an enterprise that may earn revenues and incur expenses, about which the chief operating decision maker regularly evaluates separate financial information in deciding how to allocate resources in accessing performance. To define reportable segment is a segment considered to be a significant to an enterprise's operation, specifically one that has passed one of the three 10% tests or has been identified as being reportable through the other criteria. Aggregation, for example, the three 10% tests relate to combined external and internal revenues, reported profit or loss, and assets.
Interim financial statements are presented to provide information concerning financial status and progress for the time period as less than 1 year. Normal time period is a quarter of a year. Prepared for the most recent interim period as well as an accumulated of a year-to-date. The basic may consist of a statement of financial position, income, and cash flow. Set require public companies to file from 10-Q. Problem and entering reporting. Seasonal nature or operation in many industrials can cause wide fluctuation in revenue and expenses. Short time period to determine interim result. Some accountants hold that each interim period should not stand alone as a basic accounting period. Some accountants view each interim period as essential and integral part of the annual period. In response to the sick complaints and general pressure, the APB issues APB Opinion Number 28 in May 1973. APB Opinion Number 28 in May 1973. Each interim period should be viewed as an integral part of annual period. Each interim period should be based on accounting practice used for annual statement. Revenue should be recognized on some basis as used for the full of the year. Costs and associated with revenue should be similarly treated for the interim purpose. Accounting change
Information about major customers. If 10% or more of the revenue of a firm is derived from sales to any single customers, the fact and the amount of revenue from each customer must be disclosed. Also, if 10% or more of the revenue is derived from sales to the federal government, a state government, a local government, or a foreign government, the fact and the amount of revenue must be disclosed. This disclosure are required even if the firm has only one reportable segment. In our video presentation, we've learned about our topic, reporting segment and interim financial period. That interim financial reporting, in which is the preparation and presentation and interim period, that a period of less than 1 year, either 6 months or quarter or a semester. Interim financial report contains a complete set of financial statement or a set of condensed financial statement for an interim period, and we allow prepare a minimum content of interim financial report. The past 34 are not required the entities to provide the interim financial reports, and past 34 is only selected to entity or chooses to publish the interim financial report in accordance. It also encouraged to the publicity trade entities to provide the semi-annual interim financial report and publish them after the end of the interim period. And that's all. Thank you.